Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to catch the 7-spot ladybug in Heartopia. This ladybug is super beautiful like this, and I think if you are a collector you definitely must have this one. And okay, so where you can find it, this ladybug can found at the Suburbs. And then for the weather it spawns during rainy and rainbow, and for the time it appears all day. So you can just go to the suburbs, especially specifically at the map on this area. On this area, this one, just go to the suburbs area, and then just catch this ladybug at the rainy or snow weather like this, or at rainbow weather. And to increase your drop rate, I highly recommend using an insect attractor because this will boost insect spawns and make it easier for you to find the butterfly faster. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!